Kill him! We out here in this flooded field. How many ducks were out here yesterday, Fisher?
12.
How many decoys we put out? About 300. But we got birds flying, so sit down in my little blind that I made. Fisher's gonna sit down in his blind that he made. And we got Jackson over there. Brushed in, ready to go. We got a bunch of birds flying around, a bunch of woodcocks and random stuff like that. So ducks will be coming in here any minute. Kill 'em! Oh, baby. No, they're gathered.
I got 2 drakes over here, baby.
Are they mallards?
Oh, folded! Folded!
Well, we just messed up some mallards. Hopefully, we'll get some more coming in here. Apparently, there was more than that in here yesterday. That was probably a group of 6 to 8. So, I killed a drake and a hen, and I don't know what they killed, but we got them all back in the blind.
The one right here I killed was a hen, but I don't know what that was. Model? Yeah.
Flared.
You got one.
That's a gadwall.
That would be a drake. I mean, that would be a hen mallard.
You sure? Good little black duck right here. 3 of them came in. 3 of them came in. We were
Back.
I was standing up on the fence looking that way. There's a bunch of ducks flying over there. And I was looking for ducks. We had seen 2 flocks fly over the past 5 minutes. And I turned around and 3 black ducks were coming right in on us. And we got one of them. Got another one down out there in the field we're gonna have to go walk out and get. But got a little bit of late morning action out here. So that's what we ended up with. Get good model duck right there. Is it a mounter?
It's a mounter. It's going on the wall.
There's some mallards, 2 hens. Who shot those? And a nice black duck right here. Those are the last ones that came in of the 3 that flared.